You've seen hot rods, you've seen customs, but you've never seen anything like this. A 1954 Divco milk truck, right? Hand drive, rebuilt from the ground up, turned into a show-stopping masterpiece that steals every spotlight. This isn't just a build, it's a transformation nobody thought was possible. Let's go. The story of the 1954 RHD Custom Divco milk truck is the kind of automotive tale that stops people in their tracks. Not just because the vehicle itself looks like nothing else on the road, but because every square inch of it represents an era, a purpose, a lifestyle, and a transformation that very few classics ever experience. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unusual, character-filled, and absolutely jaw-dropping custom builds to ever roll out of a workshop, the 1954 Divco Model U. Converted to right, hand drive, restored, reimagined, and rebuilt into the kind of masterpiece that blends nostalgia with craftsmanship at a level only the boldest builders dare attempt. To understand why this truck hits so hard, you have to start with what Divco actually stood for. DIVCO, Detroit Industrial Vehicle Company, wasn't building luxury cars or high-end performance machines. They weren't chasing top speed numbers. They weren't trying to impress judges with smooth curves or chrome dripping from every corner. They were building purpose. They were building toughness. They were building the backbone of mid-century American delivery: milk trucks, bread vans, postal wagons, utilitarian machines that had one job: work every single day without complaint. And they did it well. These trucks were iconic for their posture, driving layout, a signature stance driving system where the delivery driver could literally stand and drive with one foot in the truck. This wasn't luxury, it was function. But that function eventually became a form, one that hot rodders and custom shops discovered decades later and realized was the perfect canvas for something wild. Fast forward to the custom era, and that's exactly what happened to this 1954 Divco. Born as a humble Model U, originally designed to haul crates of glass milk bottles through neighborhoods, this truck has been transformed into a rolling piece of automotive art. The moment you see it, you know this isn't a restoration, it's a reinvention. The proportions remain unmistakably Divco: the tall front end, the narrow stance, the iconic stamped steel grille openings, the curving fenders that feel more like an industrial sculpture than a car body. But everything else, everything is elevated. The right hand drive conversion instantly sets this truck apart. Divcos were produced in both left and right hand drive depending on customer orders, but a 1954 RHD custom build like this, that's a rarity among rarities. The steering column sits proudly on the right side, giving the driver a viewpoint that feels almost surreal in a vintage American-built vehicle. It's the kind of detail that makes people do a double take because they expect quirky, but they never expect this level of intentionality. Outside, the truck wears a premium paint finish that absolutely shouldn't look this good on a utilitarian vehicle from the 50s, but it does. Smooth, rich, high gloss, and polished so perfectly you could shave in the reflection. No orange peel, no imperfections, just flawless workmanship. The original Divco curves are accentuated instead of hidden, allowing the truck's heritage to shine through even as it has evolved into something entirely different. Then you get closer and start noticing all the subtle custom touches: the shaved rivets, the flawless panel gaps, the custom-built hinges, the hidden wiring, the reimagined stance that sits lower, wider, and more confident than any milk truck ever had a right to be. This isn't a whim, this is a vision brought to life by hands that understand metal like an artist understands paint. Underneath, everything has been upgraded because a truck that looks this good deserves to drive just as beautifully. Gone is the old-fashioned driveline. In its place sits a modern powertrain, depending on the build: a V8 swap, a smooth, shifting automatic or manual transmission, upgraded suspension, modern brakes, power steering, and all the conveniences needed to make this truck not just look incredible but handle like a fully modern hot rod. It retains the soul of a working-class hero, but now it drives like a weekend warrior with style, confidence, and attitude. Step inside, and you enter a world that's equal parts vintage charm and modern luxury. Forget the bare steel and simple controls of the original Divco. This interior is bespoke, hand-stitched leather, custom seating, polished trim, high-end panels, upgraded gauges, and a steering wheel that feels like it belongs in a premium performance machine instead of a milk truck. The right hand drive configuration gives the cabin an exotic flavor, almost British or Australian in vibe, but the bones are unmistakably American. Every touch point feels intentional, crafted, and elevated. This is a custom interior designed to match the exterior's elegance while honoring the Divco legacy. The story behind the build is what makes it even more special. These trucks weren't built to be pampered. They were built to deliver milk before sunrise. They were built to grind through neighborhoods day after day, year after year. The fact that one survived long enough to be transformed like this is already incredible, but the decision to elevate it into a full custom showpiece takes passion, vision, and money. A lot of money. Anyone who's ever built a custom car knows the truth: perfection is expensive, time is expensive, expertise is expensive, and on a vehicle as unusual and intricate as a Divco, everything takes twice as much effort because the parts aren't sitting on shelves waiting to be ordered. Everything has to be fabricated. Everything has to be measured, designed, cut, welded, shaped, and finished by hand. This is a labor of love in the purest sense. Out on the road, the truck is a celebrity. It doesn't just roll through traffic. It steals attention from blocks away. People point, people stare, people pull out their phones. Kids smile because it looks like a cartoon character. Adults smile because it reminds them of old delivery days. Car enthusiasts admire the craftsmanship, and collectors, they know exactly what they're looking at: a unicorn, a rare, bold, fearlessly custom 1954 Divco Model U built with obsessive detail, right? Hand drive, modern performance, and show car finishing. This is the kind of vehicle that breaks rules simply by existing. It's too beautiful to be a delivery truck, too unique to be confused with anything else, too meticulously built to ever blend into a parking lot. It isn't a hot rod, though it has the heart of one. It isn't a van, though its shape suggests utility. It isn't a showpiece, though it wins shows effortlessly. It exists in its own category, a custom classic that defies labels and captures imaginations. So whether you love Divcos for their history, their quirky looks, or their endless custom potential, this 1954 RHD build stands as proof that vision and craftsmanship can take even the most unlikely vehicle and turn it into something extraordinary. A machine that once delivered milk now delivers awe. A truck once built for work now serves as art. And a vehicle once forgotten on the sidelines of American automotive history now stands proudly as a masterpiece admired by enthusiasts around the world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the coolest and most unique custom trucks ever built, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment below. And of course, what's up everyone, subscribe my channel.